Here's a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. It was brought in today to do a Viper remote start to the factory remote. Hit lock, flashes the lights. You hear the siren in the background. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will fire off. Here's the box. Directed is the brand, which is the main company that Viper comes from. It's OEM compatible, which means if your vehicle is a push to start, just like this one, you hold the brake down, push a button, we can add a security system and a remote starter to this same remote. So now I'm going to set off the alarm system by simply hitting it. There's the siren, there's the lights. We'll cut it off. And now to remote start the vehicle, all we do is push the lock button 3 times. And a few seconds later, the engine cranks. Keys are right here, and there's no one sitting inside. We have the alarm systems and remote starters in stock and ready to go here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop. We are open Monday to Saturday 10 to 6 and closed on Sunday. Now I'll shut it down. We'll see you guys on the next one.